Hello, my name is Prichraj Bhatt from Mitanshi Technologies, and I'm back yet again with another video on my Shopify series. Today we are looking at how to detect Shopify themes from an online store. In our day-to-day surfing, we may come across an online store who leaves an impression on our minds, and we become curious to find out what theme that store has used. Sounds familiar? So I'll show you three methods in order to find the theme that particular Shopify store has used. The three methods are using the Chrome extension, using an online tool, and also the manual method. So let's check these out one by one. So now let's look at the first method using the Chrome extension. I'm going to use an extension named Shopify Theme Detector by Mitanshi. It provides a very clean and neat user interface, and it's very easy to use. So let me install the extension first. I'll go to manage extensions. I'll click on Chrome Web Store. I'll search for Shopify Theme Detector. Here it is. And I'll click on Add to Chrome. The extension has been installed. I will pin it so I can use it anytime I want. As you can see, I have visited this website, and now I'll use this extension, and here it is. The theme that this particular website has used is Reformation. How easy. And if I want to check this theme out, I just need to click on this link, and it will open this theme on the Shopify theme store. Also, if you have any concerns about theme customization, there is a link down below which says free Shopify theme customization. Just click on it and you will be redirected to this page, which is Mitanshi's own website. As you can see, Mitanshi is currently offering first 5 hours of Shopify theme customization absolutely free. So I think you should give it a try. If you have any theme customization requirements, just click on this button. Let's see what happens if the store is not built on Shopify and if we open the extension. This is a site, and if I open the extension now, it will tell me that this is not a Shopify store. You cannot ask for a better extension than this. So now you know how to use the Chrome extension to find out the theme of a Shopify store. And don't worry, I have dropped the link to the extension in the description box. You can check that out. Now let's look at the second method. There are a variety of online tools that can accomplish just this thing. I have used a tool called Shopify Theme Detector. Again, it is made by Mitanshi itself, and you will find the link to this in the description box. So let me add a Shopify URL over here. I'll paste the link over here and click on Detect Theme button. As you can see, the theme is detected. The name is Dawn, and there is a link to the theme if I want to check it out, just like the extension showed. And again, if you have any theme customization requirements, you can click on this button. So this is how you can use a tool in order to find the theme of a store. So we have seen how online extensions and tools can be used to find out the theme that the Shopify store is using. Now let's look at the most simplest and most straightforward manner of finding this out, the manual way. Just open any Shopify store and press on Ctrl U, which will open the page source. Then press Ctrl F and and search for Shopify.theme. You will see a value named schema underscore name. This is the name of the theme that the store is using. And you will also see theme store ID. This is the unique identification number using which you can find out the theme in the Shopify theme store. So this is how you can detect Shopify theme from a store, and you can use any of the three methods that I have shown. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel. Stay safe, take care, and I'll see you soon.